This is 12-1, sums, products, and factors. So after you watch the last video of how to multiply by using the box method, now what we're going to do is we're going to unravel the box. So the product is answer to multiplication. So remember when we had things along the side and things along the side, and we did this and we had the box, the last step is we looked at the box and we pulled things out and we said x squared, and then we added the diagonal boxes. Well, actually we're adding all the diagonal boxes, and this is 8x and this is 15. So that's the product. Okay. Remember when we did GCF and we pulled out the things that were alike. And so when we're pulling out things that are alike, we're going to do each box at a time. Now, I'm going to specifically start with the x squared box. And the only way I can get x squared is multiply x times x. So then I go to this box and I have to go x times something gives me 5x, and that's positive 5. And then x times something gives me 3x, that's 3. And 3 times 5 is 15. So my answer is down the side and across the top. So my factors x plus 5 and x plus 3. Can they be flopped? Yes, because of community property. So this is along the sides. Along sides by GCF. And we're going to do it again. So the product, remember that you're reading the box, and the product would be 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. Your factors, I'm going to have a 2x times x, and then 2x times 4. 2x times 4 gives me 8x. 4 times this gives me 1, and 1 times x. So all of these boxes match. So it would be x plus 4 times 2x plus 1. Down the diagonals, you would get 4x squared plus 12x plus 5. Factoring. Now, I'm not going to come here. I'm going to come here. Because all of these are evens. Because this could be 4 times 1. It could also be 2 times 2. So I don't know yet. So I am going, but the only way I can get 5 is to put a 5 here and a 1 here, or vice versa. Okay? Then it would be 1 times 2x would be 2x. Now I know that it's a 2. So I'm going to start with my primes, or things that don't have multiple factors. And then I can do 2x times 2x, and then check it out, and it works. So that would be 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 1. And to do a real quick check, when I check it for my middle term comes from what I call the rainbows. So that's 10x and 2x, which is 12x, which is my 12x. Going up here, this is 8x and x, which is 9x. This is 5x and 3x, which is 8x. So your middle rainbows, inner rainbow, outer rainbow. Okay, so here we go. I always thought you don't have to go with the box in order. You just have to do your boxes so they make sense. So here we go. So I'm going to start with x squared. Oh, I'm going to do the product first. X squared. Adding these gets you negative 15x, and then the 54. Okay, now my product, my factors, I have x and x. X factored out, greatest common factor is negative 6. greatest common factor is -9, and a negative times a negative is a positive. So this would be x minus 9 and x minus 6. Here's a negative 9x, and here's a negative 6x for your negative 15x. So that is undoing the box to get your products and your factors.